The Cybertruck stands as a symbol of a turning point, a moment in automotive history where the familiar bends to meet the demands of a rapidly changing world. It represents a willingness to sacrifice comfort and convention for the promise of something radically better. For decades, trucks evolved incrementally. Stronger steel, bigger engines, improved aerodynamics. But the Cybertruck didn't evolve from anything. It emerged as a clean slate reinvention, a challenge to the idea that a truck must look, sound, and behave a certain way. It demands a recalibration of expectations. In time, people begin to realize that its shape, its materials, its silence, and its capabilities are not anomalies. They are indicators of where the industry is heading. Those who step behind the wheel quickly understand this shift. The driving experience is unlike that of a traditional truck. The absence of engine noise creates a near meditative calm, broken only by the sound of tires engaging the road or wind moving across the geometric structure. The cabin acts as an insulated chamber separating the driver from the chaos of the outside world. You feel elevated, centered, and connected to the vehicle in a way that traditional trucks rarely achieve. Every movement is precise. Every response is immediate. The Cybertruck, despite its size, handles with surprising agility thanks to Tesla's finely engineered steering, weight distribution, and traction control systems. It behaves less like a heavy-duty hauler and more like a refined, commanding electric powerhouse. Range becomes not just a number but a freedom. Tesla's advancements in battery chemistry and thermal management translate into long-distance capability previously unimaginable for an electric truck. Charging the Cybertruck feels less like a chore and more like an integrated part of its design philosophy. With Tesla's extensive supercharger network, the Cybertruck is supported by one of the most advanced charging infrastructures on the planet, making long trips not only possible but seamless. You stop, you recharge, and you go. Unlike gasoline vehicles, where the engine releases heat, noise, and emissions, the Cybertruck moves with smooth efficiency. It doesn't waste energy on vibration or exhaust. It converts power into motion with remarkable fidelity. The bed, the vault, as Tesla calls it, follows this same philosophy of functional futurism. It's protected by the roll-down tonneau cover, creating an enclosed, secure storage area that feels more like a shipment bay on a spacecraft than the back of a pickup. Outlets integrated directly into the truck allow tools, equipment, or even recreational devices to draw power directly from its massive battery. This transforms the Cybertruck into a mobile energy station useful on work sites, camping trips, or remote expeditions where electricity is scarce. Instead of depending on portable generators or external solutions, the truck becomes its own grid, a source of light power and versatility. The structure of the Cybertruck, being as rigid as it is, also helps when carrying heavy loads. The exoskeleton transfers stress differently than a traditional body on-frame design. The rigidity improves handling even with significant weight on board. It's a vehicle designed for real-world demands, not theoretical tests. Whether it's hauling construction materials or supporting off-the-grid adventures, the Cybertruck accommodates needs with confidence and ease. It becomes an extension of the driver's capability, a tool that empowers rather than limits. Even the lighting tells its own story. The full-width LED light bar on the front creates a signature look that distinguishes it instantly at night. It doesn't simply illuminate the road, it carves a clean path into the darkness, projecting clarity and purpose. The rear lights follow the same principle: minimal, bold, unified. These lighting elements contribute to the Cybertruck's visual identity: clear, focused, unapologetically futuristic. It's a vehicle designed not to blend into traffic, but to reshape what traffic looks like. Safety, long a hallmark of Tesla engineering, reaches new heights in the Cybertruck. The exoskeleton acts as a protective shell, paired with Tesla's advanced crash structures and sensor-based safety systems. The rigidity of the stainless steel adds a layer of protection not traditionally found in trucks, while the battery pack positioned low in the chassis provides stability by lowering the center of gravity. Combined with Tesla's collision avoidance systems, the Cybertruck becomes not only powerful but secure, engineered to protect its occupants through both passive strength and active intelligence. The Cybertruck is also built for the unpredictable. Off-road, it becomes a beast, its air suspension adapting dynamically to ruts, rocks, and uneven ground. The torque delivered instantly to the wheels allows for confident climbs and controlled descents. The durable underbody shields essential components from strikes and debris, while the traction systems maintain control in challenging environments. This is not a vehicle afraid of mud, snow, rough terrain, or steep inclines. It's engineered for exploration, for pushing boundaries, for expanding the limits of where a truck can go. And when it returns to the pavement, it transitions seamlessly back to silent sophistication. All of these qualities, the speed, the strength, the durability, the luxury, the intelligence, come together to form something far greater than the sum of its parts. The Cybertruck symbolizes the next chapter in automotive identity. Owning one becomes an invitation into a new era of transportation, a membership in a group that values technological advancement over nostalgia, innovation over imitation. It's a vehicle for thinkers, creators, builders, and pioneers, those who are willing to embrace the unknown and shape the future in their own direction. Tesla's legacy is already one of transformation. From the Model S redefining electric performance to the Model 3 bringing EVs to the masses, each step has pushed the world closer to sustainable mobility. The Cybertruck pushes even further, challenging the biggest, toughest, most stubborn segment of them all. Pickup trucks represent tradition. They represent culture. They represent decades of loyalty. And yet, here stands the Cybertruck, an outsider that dares to rewrite the rulebook. Its legacy will be determined not by how similar it is to its competitors, but by how boldly it refuses to imitate them. The road forward for the Cybertruck is not about blending in. It's about standing as a monument to what happens when a company chooses courage over caution, when engineering pushes past fear, when form answers function in ways never attempted before. The Cybertruck becomes a conversation starter, a statement of independence, a marker of transition from the analog world to the digital age of mobility. Its presence on the highway feels like time has folded and something escaped from the future into the present. People stare because it breaks the rhythm of expectation. It is different not because it tries to be, but because it must be. The world didn't need another truck shaped like the last 100 trucks. It needed a symbol of where the future is heading, a machine that demonstrated not only the potential of electric power, but the potential of thinking differently. Every mile driven in a Cybertruck feels like a step into that future. The silence becomes a companion, the torque becomes confidence, the structure becomes security, the software becomes intelligence, and the design becomes identity. It is a vehicle that extends beyond transportation and enters the realm of philosophy, challenging the idea that innovation should be incremental rather than disruptive. And as the years pass, the Cybertruck's impact will echo through the automotive world. Engineers will study it, designers will debate it, competitors will chase it, children will dream of it, and drivers who choose it will become part of a story bigger than themselves. A story about daring to redefine, daring to innovate, daring to push the world forward instead of following the path already paved. This is the Cybertruck, a machine forged in steel, driven by electricity, shaped by boldness, engineered by vision, and destined to leave a legacy written not in the dust of the past, but in the charged air of the future.